Dear students, welcome to the YouTube channel H2O Chemistry. So in our last video, we have calculated the number of atoms and number of molecules using the mole concept, using the formula called number of moles, and then from number of moles, how do we calculate number of atoms by multiplying the number of moles with Avogadro number. So with this, I'm going to teach the next concept, that is calculation based on molar volume. So we know that what is meant by molar volume. The molar volume is nothing but the word molar volume. It is nothing but 22.4 liter at STP. So this idea we know. So this is idea. So from this idea we are going to calculate the volume. Calculate the volume occupied by 2.5 moles of carbon dioxide at standard temperature and pressure. So this sum we can find in the page number 101. So let us solve this sum. Now what do you meant by 2.5 moles? So we know that concept is gram atomic mass or gram molecular mass equal to 1 mole, right, which contains 6.023 into 10 to the power of 23 particles. If it is a gas which occupies 22.4 liters at STP. So relate these two now, because 1 mole occupies 22.4 liters. So therefore, we will move on to the sum. So how to calculate the number of moles if volume is given. So number of moles is equal to given volume at STP divided by molar volume at STP. So now we know this and we know this. So number of moles is given 2.5 and molar volume is 22.4 liters at STP. So instead of given volume, now we are going to rearrange this. Instead of this given volume, I'm going to find out the volume we want to find out. So the volume occupied by 2.5 moles of carbon dioxide equal to, so if I want to cross multiply this, so number of moles into molar volume. So the number of moles into molar volume at STP. Now we have to substitute all the values. Very simple. So what is the number of moles? 2.5. So 2.5 into molar volume at STP is 22.4 liters. Now we have to multiply this. So let us multiply 2 to 4 into 2 5. So 4 5s are 20, balance 2. 2 5s are 10, 12, balance 1. 5 into 2 are 10, 11. So 2 into 4 8, 2 into 2 4, 2 into 2 4. So the answer is 0, balance 1, 6 5. So I want to move 2 digits, dot is 2 digits, so the answer will be 56 liters. So the volume occupied by 2.5 moles is nothing but 56 liters. So I hope this video will be very helpful in learning the calculation of volume if you are given with moles. Thank you. Keep watching. Subscribe for more videos. Click the bell button to get the notification instantly. Like this video, share this video. Thank you.